Hi folks, welcome to Noah's Great Outdoors. And can you believe it? We are at Gobblers Knob. Now Gobblers Knob, folks, is always on February 2nd. And there's millions of people that come here, some from different countries, some from different continents of the world. And this is basically what you see on Gobblers Knob, but with a bunch of crazy people over in that location somewhere. They put a huge bonfire, like big bonfire. They got the stage down here that's basically a bunch of people making fun of the different songs, but they gotta put something in there about the groundhog. But as you've seen in the backwoods, we took a walk. There's a couple pictures that will be in the video. Leave your comments, leave your likes, share this video with people, hit subscribe if you want to see any more of Noah's Great Outdoors, and just like it. Because not even once in a while a person will actually know what goes on except February 2nd. But this is pretty much what it is when there's nobody around, which is quiet, peaceful, till February 2nd when they do the dumb groundhog viewing, whether or not he is actually going to see his shadow or not. But I really hope you folks like this video and like the pictures that we put on there. So we'll see you whenever we see you. Well, I'm Noah Grosh's, folks. And I love you. And I'll see you next time right here on Noah's Great Outdoors.